Hey there, gardening enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the enchanting world of houseplants. But not just any houseplants. We're exploring those that surprise us with rare and stunning flowers. Let's get started. First up is the jade plant. It's like the wise old grandparent of the succulent family. With care, it rewards you with pink and white star-shaped blooms. How cool is that? Next, the snake plant. Known for its tough nature, it's perfect for those forgetful waterers among us. And guess what? It can bloom with fragrant, spicy vanilla-scented flowers. Then there's the showstopper, bird of paradise. Its large, glossy leaves and striking orange and blue flowers can turn your home into a tropical paradise. Don't be misled by the name fishbone cactus. This unique plant boasts fishtail leaves and surprises with large white flowers. The charming oxalis, adored for its butterfly-like leaves, delights with tiny trumpet-shaped flowers. The zebra plant, known for its striped leaves, can also produce bright flowers and attract the zebra long-winged butterfly. The flowering varieties of calathea, like the Calathea crocata, grow stunning flowers in a very unique shape. Haworthia, a resilient succulent, can surprise you with delicate white or pale pink flowers. Lastly, the popular aloe vera, known for its healing properties, also surprises with tall tubular blooms. Each of these plants brings a unique touch of nature's magic into our homes. They're not just about green leaves, but are a celebration of life with their rare and beautiful flowers. If you found this video helpful and exciting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy gardening!